guys, I'm cutting open this squishy, and I was gonna use like the nail cutting scissor things, but I only have these ones. And I have to say this first before I cut this open. Hold on. Well, the thing I want to say is that I got this full idea from Miss Trinity. So go subscribe to her channel. I will try and link her video down below. But I'm going to be cutting open this one. I've never seen her do this one, but I wanted to do it. I got it at a store in the mall, a kawaii store in the mall. And I've had this for a while now, and I don't really play with that much, so I figure this is the best one to open first. I know a lot of you guys said the mochi, not the mochi, I think they said the stress ball orange one, I think, but this is going to be the first one I cut open just because it's my least favorite to squish, but yeah. I also have this paper, not paper, it's like this rubber track mat type stuff on it, so like won't get everywhere. The stuff inside of it, and you can see the stuff inside. And actually, when we were at the mall, me and my friend were at the mall, and it exploded the first one I got until they refunded me for a new one. But it like exploded everywhere. But yeah. So let's just get a cutting. I think I'm just gonna cut off, and these are like really bad safety scissors. My mom said I have to use these ones so that I don't mess up. So like, these are craft scissors and got stuff all over them. But wait, let me try and like make sure there's not any goop in here, but that might be hard. Oh god. Okay, I was kind of nervous to do this, but I already did it. Hold on guys. Okay, should I just... Oh my god. Whoa, it feels like slime. Like really sticky slime. Whoa, it's really light and fluffy. What does it feel like? It feels kind of cool. I wonder if I like added borax to this so I can make it into slime. Okay. Oh, I should have taken out the ball chain first. It's gonna get all gross. Why don't I do that now? Hold on, guys. Okay, it's oozing all over itself. So, why don't we move it over to this side, and I think I'm gonna cut, like fillet it down the middle so we can see what is inside. Oh god. Okay. Just wanted to see the inside of it. All this, I don't know if this stuff is like toxic, if I should be touching it, but I might not be, or I should, wait, I don't even know how to say this. Okay, it's getting all over, so maybe I shouldn't be touching this. But it's really fun to play with. It's so weird. Okay, I don't want to get it everywhere. Okay, let's see. I want to try and get it all out. So that's what's inside this croissant squishy. It's so weird. I should probably put this in like a container to save it or something so I can try and... Okay, it's all over my hands now. It's very sticky. How am I going to stop the camera? Let me try and get like these two fingers. But I smelled it and it smells like really toxic. So I'm going to go wash my hands real quick. Okay, I washed my hands. And I don't know what to do with this stuff. Like, it's really sticky. Maybe I should try adding borax. Maybe we'll have a separate video of trying to turn it into slime. But, oh, it doesn't stick to the scissors much. Oh, it's so weird. Ugh. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in here, and I can't decide what I'm gonna use. I don't want to use my spatula for my slime, because I feel like that might get things everywhere. Like get it all over the spatula, and then it could ruin my slime. Oh no. Okay, hold on, let me figure this out. I got this spoon. I got this little spoon. It was like a taster spoon. So I'm gonna try and like put it in this little thing. Ooh. It feels like slime. feels a lot like slime. This is gonna take forever though. I got it on my finger again. I was trying to get that not to go on my finger, but we're failing at this miserably. I wish this was like easily picked up, because then I could just throw it in here really easily. Hold on, guys. I got a lot of it in this. There is some dribbles, but I'm glad I'm definitely glad I used this kind of mat, because it does come off very easily. But I got most of it in here. The rest thing I'll just wash off, and it's getting on my finger again, which it's not very good. But I definitely do not recommend putting this stuff around with little kids or animals of any sort. Like, I had to lock my cats out of my room while I did this so they wouldn't try and eat it, because this is probably very toxic, so don't try eating this stuff, of course. But it's like really fun to play with. But I'm gonna try and fix it up in a different video to like a slime, but we'll see how that goes. That will be in a different video, so go check that one out next if it's uploaded. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye guys.